Hey guys, so I have a package from my sister, so I'm going to open it before you. In this video, you're going to have two sections because this is part one of the box opening, because I guess Amazon didn't ship everything one time, so I have to go back there next week. So this is part one of the video. You're gonna get it in all video. So this is the first section. You get the next section later on down in the video. But here, my sister sent me some goodies. I'm gonna open it before the box is very heavy. But before I open it, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and on your post notification. So whenever we release a new video, you will be the first to know. Thank you, my lovely sister. Love you so much. So let me add, I actually bought some stuff for myself, so I really don't know if it is hers or mine, but we're gonna open it. So which box should we start with first? Right? Should we start with the small one or the big one? I think the small one. So we're gonna start off with the small one, and then yeah. So I'm gonna do a review on both mine and hers. So I'm gonna open it, see if it's from her, and then yeah, let's you see what I got from her. So thank you again, Candy. You're awesome. So I'm gonna open the small box, and as usual, you know, it's a custom of it with me first and so what's in there. So they say thank you for shopping with us from AASN. And this is a thank you note that she sent. She didn't even say nothing. Just you can learn more about your gift. Okay. So I guess this is if you want to know more about what's in here. So this is the box that's open. This is Venessap. Yes, this is to me, but I don't. What? Fiber things. So I guess this is chocolate. I don't know. I'd have to ask her if she actually sent me this. Okay, so I got 4 boxes of this. I don't know what I'm doing with so much. I guess I need fiber. Alright, so let me open one and see what it looks like. So it's like a little daily chocolate, so you take one a day and it gives you your fiber for the day, I guess. Yeah, 1 serving, 2 fiber tins. So I guess this is just like for a daily intake of your fiber. So I got 4 of that in the box and that's it. So that's that. So we're gonna go into big box, the big box. So look what I got. I got my favorite chocolate. Ferrero Rocher, my favorite chocolate. My favorite chocolate. My favorite chocolate. Thank you, Candy. Hey, so guys, look out for this challenge. It's gonna be hot. I'm gonna give the girls them some of the mural and I'm gonna do it on my channel. So this is what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 come in there, and I can't wait. I see everybody and the YouTubers never do it, and I always want to do it, and I can finally do it. I cannot wait. We can't wait. Me can't wait. Thank you, Candy. And I finally got my bullet. My magic bullet. This seems like it's a small one. It's a small one. So I bought one the other day from a friend, and I think she have the bigger one. I don't know. Let's see. So I'm gonna open it and let's make you see what's inside of it. But I am grateful for this because I lent out my blender and people don't take it for themselves. So it's good that I have this, can do my little shakes and so forth because I really don't use blender a lot. I mostly use it like for shakes. So I'm glad for this. I don't know, this seems smaller than my friend, the one that I bought for her. It seems so small. So we have the cups, small one and big one. The lids. I can't wait to use this, guys. Okay, so it's the same this. So I guess our box just had more stuff. And I got this one. So, guys, I am so happy. I am so happy finally got my tender and I got it. So yes, guys, I got all these goodies. Let's just do this. Let's see if we can do this. All this goodie from my dear sister. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Alright guys, so this is all of what she actually sent. So there's no part 2. And the Bagana in another video. Like, I think this is a free gift. Like, I think she actually purchased something and then she canceled it, and then now she purchased it again. So I guess that's why I got this. But I guess I need some fiber. God is telling me something, you know. So I'm gonna eat one a day of this, like probably in the lunchtime there, because I really don't really eat lunch. And my shake, and yeah. So if you reach this far in the video and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? It is free, FREE free. So subscribe, welcome to the channel. You know, stay tuned, welcome. You know, we do everything over here, finances, everything, life, work and travel, reviews, everything that's pertaining to my life. So, yeah.
Oh wow, look on the camera. I want to start doing videos.
You should. I tell you that you should just buy a vlogging camera. Like, even though that you're going out or you're at the supermarket, you just have a vlogging camera. Or use a phone.
Yeah.
Me help you, if you don't understand something, just ask me.
Are you videoing me?
Yes.
Oh wait, let me fix it properly. Just a second. They can hear me.
Yes. turn on the phone. Turn the phone. You're long way. Oh, and me, and my fault. No, turn it around. Look by you now. You know.
Then I'll tell you they can't hear me. You must be the house.
They can't hear you.
So hi guys, we're out and out.
Anyway, guys, that was my sister who bought all of this lovely stuff for me. For what? I don't know, because I'm a lovely sister.
Yes. So you never let me look good in the video.
You look good in there.
Oh, I mean, no, it's runny.
Nobody not seen that.
I hope my head doesn't look too big.
But for real, you never buy this?
I think I put it in there and then
you did cancel the order. So you can imagine if them send me a next blender or something.
What do you be lucky.
Would I sell it?
Look at this, Natalia. They have vegan stuff. You can get vegan red onion pie. Let's try one of these. Halloumi nugget. No chicken thing, but no chicken in it. But no chicken, if that makes sense.
So I just went and picked up a box at Reliable Couriers, and I received something that I wasn't supposed to receive. So I'm just gonna check the website and let you see what she actually bought and what was cancelled if I can find that. And next week I'm gonna see if I'm gonna get the other stuff, because it stated that something was delivered to the address, but you know, so it take a while to come out here in Jamaica. So let's see if I get some stuff, because that would be good. I don't mind getting free stuff, and I hope they don't take any money from my account, because the reason why we cancel it is because she made a mistake and took it from my card, which she was supposed to pay for. So we canceled it quick, and but let's check Amazon right now, okay? Alright, so this, she bought this, so I'm supposed to get this soon, right? So I'm waiting on this, so that will be the next one. She ordered this came in the box, and that was it, right? So cancel order. Let's go in cancel order. So the cancel order was these, right? So basically I got a free gift because it's not even in here. So it's not a mistake, but I guess I got something else. Interesting. So it was actually the same thing that she ordered. So I don't understand why I got that box. So everything seems to be right. I only have one thing left to collect, but I don't know where that fiber thing came from. Like, why did they give it to me? I don't know why. So so I guess the order is actually cancelled, and yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna accept it because having a fiber intake is good. So more to me, right? So I'm just gonna have one of this. But you know what I just realized? I just remembered that I gave somebody my shipping address, so maybe they bought something. But I asked the guy just now, and him say no, he no buy nothing. So me don't know. This is my favorite chocolate, guys. It needs to be in the fridge because it's hot. She's but let her ask her again, because I never found my thing. So unless she accidentally buy it and it come to me, I don't know. But I'll definitely give you an update as to where it come from. If not, I'll do something free. I don't know. Okay, so remember earlier I said that I got something I don't know where it's from, or I think that Amazon mixed up the order or something like that. Well, this, I think it's a gift from the person that I bought the magic bullet from. So I got 4 boxes of this. I guess let me check on the expiration date, because normally when things going back, that's when the company decides to give it away. Well, this is good until 2023. I guess it's just a nice gift to say thank you for purchasing, and I think I should leave them a good review. yeah, so thank you for this